Hello everyone, welcome to the 3D Experience Innova webinar. I will share my screen. So my name is Ujjwal Chawda. I am the application engineer here at Engineering. I basically handle the 3D Experience platform. So today we will see the capabilities of the Innovia as well as the role collaborative industry innovator available in the 3D Experience. So before we start, let me give you the introduction or the overview of the 3D Experience platform. So we can say that with its growing solution portfolio as well as the secure technology, 3D Experience platform enables us to manage all the facets of your product development process while reducing the infrastructure cost, IT overhead, as well as the software maintenance. All the 3D Experience solution work together seamlessly and making the data management, sharing, and collaboration easy. So collaborative industry innovator can have all the facility, all the collaboration available within the platform. So let us have a look at the top challenges, what today's design environment or what today's the client are facing. So we can say that there is a lack of integration or the poor data flow across all the tools. So we are using multiple tools for a different purpose and that have the lack of integration. We cannot integrate the Microsoft Office to a Gmail or to have the Outlook facility. So those challenges are there. We are having the problem in managing and finding the design data. We have to search in the file explorer multiple times. We have to go through the multiple file folders to find the design data. We are facing it difficult for non-engineers such as the managers or the senior management employees who need to access the data. So designers are using the CAD platform, but the non-engineers have the difficulty to access the needed data. As well as there is a lot of problems in the IT administration because of the delays and the upgrades that needs to be done the day-to-day basis. These are the top challenges what customers are facing today. So let us have a look at the SolidWorks customer survey, where we have taken the feedback from multiple clients of the value of leveraging the CAD desktop file on the cloud. So we can say that around 79% of the respondents are interested in the cloud solution. So they want to use the cloud solution for their desktop CAD files. So those are the current scenario. So for the value proposition, we can say that with the Innovia Works available in the 3D Experience platform, we can connect digitally, which means that we can connect all the aspect of the manufacturing or the design directly in the 3D Experience platform. With the 3D Experience platform, we do not need to go to the other software or to other tools to collaborate between the team members. All the tools for the collaboration are available directly in the 3D Experience platform. We can also hide the complexity that all the tools and the data is available within one platform. So we do not, there will be no complexity to search the data or to have the difficulty in finding the data. As well as we can deploy it quickly. As 3D Experience is a cloud platform, so all the tools are readily available within one platform. So whenever a client wants to implement the 3D Experience platform, there will be having no time and they can directly use within a day. So all the tools are available and that can be accessed anywhere, anytime or any devices. So these are the offers that for every stage process the 3D Experience provides. So for the planning stage, we can leverage the tasks, issues, and the project to create the executable plans, as well as we can ensure that the right things are done at the right time. We can also, for the development stage, we can benefit from a collaborative environment that manages the cross disciplines from the multiple departments. We can have a dedicated IP and web editing structures outside the CAD. Not only on the desktop services, we can also use the cloud services as well. For the release stage as well, we can perform the final validation of the product engineering definition using the powerful markup and the change management. So with the collaborative business innovator as well as the industry innovator, we can have the multiple tools available right in the 3D experience platform. So collaborative industry innovator is a solution for managing and collaborating of any type of content on the cloud-based 3D experience platform. It securely connects all the stakeholders in the innovation process directly, start from the engineering, design, manufacturing to the marketing or sales team. Also enabling the design across the disciplines as well as the CAD application. So this solution provides advanced product structure navigation as well as the filtering. So we can have all the tools available in the browser-based 3D visualization as well as the geometric analysis tools. So those tools are available directly in the 3D experience platform. So these are the key highlights that 3D experience provides in the every stage process. So we can have the planning available, we can create, assign, and track the changes. Those tools are available in the collaborative industry innovator as well as in the collaborative business innovator. For the development process as well, we can modify the design structure in the web or any devices. There is no need for the Windows laptop or a desktop PC. We can also use the 3D experience platform in the mobile or a smartphone or to iPad or a Mac devices. We can also manage the product engineering definition directly in the 3D experience platform. We can also review the design and provide the feedback for the release stage as well. So let us start with the introduction. So if someone has implemented the 3D experience platform in their company, so they need to just go to a website. They will start directly within a browser. They will open a link and it will directly open the 3D experience platform. So here you can see that I have opened my 3D experience platform where I have the files which I have created into the SolidWorks, and it is directly available in the 3D experience platform, where I can have the overview that what files I have created, how the structure is available. I can have the 3D visualization available. I can also add the markup. So markup can be added as well. We can also add the text as well. With that, we also have the tools for measure. So if you want to measure between two different points, we can also measure the distance directly in the platform. We can also explore the tools. So whereas if you want to have the in-depth view, so that can be also possible. So those tools are available. So let us look at the key features that are available in the collaborative industry innovator. So the first feature will be the data navigation and collaboration. So we can search, navigate, and open any of the data directly in the web. Those are created in the SolidWorks. So here I have the 3D experience platform where I have the different apps. So apps will be useful where for the specific purpose, like what we have in the smartphone. So those apps will be also available in the 3D experience, and similarly we can use different apps for a different purpose. Here you can see that I am using the Innovia 3D Navigate app for to visualize, to 3D navigate my content, that what I have created in the SolidWorks. I can have the zoom and pan available. We can also use the different shading option based on our requirement. We can see as per the need. We can also use the tools. We can also measure within the application. So that can be also available. Here you can see that different tools are available for section, for relations as well. With the product structure explorer, we can find all the necessary data or a feature manager tree available in the Innovia. So where we can find out that this is the title, these are the components that are available in the assembly. We can find out, we can open in any of the required app. We can also use the relations app. So that is a treehouse functionality where we can find out that what are the children component, what are the components that are associated with the engineering definition. We can see that these are the different components as the children or the parent component. So based on our requirement, it will highlight and it will show us the capability that these are the component which is linked to this part or to this assembly. So those tools are also available. Then we can have the feature available, which is called a collaborative lifecycle. So collaborative lifecycle mainly functions for the PLM capability, for the product lifecycle management capability, where each and every product which is created in the SolidWorks or any CAD platform will have a separate collaborative lifecycle tool available. So each product will go with starting from the private to invoke state, and it will complete the entire lifecycle process for each CAD data. So here you can see that within 3D Experience platform, we can search any of the component or any of the CAD data or non-CAD data for our reference. We can directly drag and drop the content. So once we have the content file available, we can see the entire collaborative lifecycle where we have the standard, private, inward, frozen, release, and the obsolete. So you can see that we have changed the maturity. We can also go back to the release to inward if required. We can also have the lifecycle tool for creating a new branch, creating a new revision. So that can be also available. If I want to create a new revision, so we need to just type the comment, and that comment will be saved, and that can be available for the later data entry. You can see that we have created a new revision. So those revisions will be identified, and that can be used for the later stage as well. So with the Collaborative Industry Innovator, we will also get to classify and organize the data that can be having a quickly to for the identify quickly. We can easily navigate, and we can also reuse the valuable content as well. So here we have find out the engine assembly from the different filtration process, such as we have the SysW tags, so which will work as a filter process to find out where we have created the files, what files we need to find out, when the user has created the files, who has created the files. Based on the tags and based on the different filter process, we can find out that what was the file number and how it has created. So these are the different tools and the features that are available in the 3D Experience platform. So with the 3D markup and the comparer, we can extend and capture the sharing of the digital markup across the enterprise. So 2D and the 3D product markup can be created directly in the 3D Experience platform. So there will be no CAD knowledge required, or there is no desktop process required to use this markup feature. So these features are available in sort of the different apps, and these apps will be available as combined app will be available in the Collaborative Industry Innovator role. So with the compare app as well, we can easily identify the difference between two component or a two structure. So we can compare the 3D models or a 2D drawing file directly in the platform without the need of the SolidWorks. So here we have the compare app where I have searched for the engine assembly, and it will search out for in the entire 3D Experience platform. We can directly drag and drop. It will also identify that what other revision we have created. So you can see that we have 3 revisions available. So we need to compare between two different revisions that is also available. We can also search for a different assembly as well. So that will also compare between two different products or two different assemblies. So that will identify that what are the changes in the design tree as well as what are the changes visually. It will identify in both the way. So you can see that the blue highlighted area is the change where the old assemblies does not have those highlighted area. We can also compare the status based on different types. We can also export the results. So we can also swap the columns and have the properties available. So those tools are available. Then we need to highlight the task management. that with the collaborative industry innovator, we can assign the task, we can organize the work process to have the easy to use, mobile ready, and the ad hoc task management process where a manager can create the task, they can assign to a different to assigned use to a specific user in the project environment, and the user will be notified directly in the 3D experience platform, and he can have the idea that I have assigned this task and I have to work within the deadline. So those process will filter out, and it will clear the miscommunication between the department. So those tools are also available. We can also have the issue management. So issue management will work as a ECN process, whereas a manager can create, capture, and organize the issues, and where a user will validate, and it will work on the issues. So let me show you the issue management process. So let's say I am having the 3D markup. I'm using the 3D markup feature to just see what the user has created. Then I need to have the issue available. So I will directly go to the issue, and it will replace the entire app without the need of for to open again. So you can see that now we are in the issue 3D review app. So it will also have the similar features to drag and drop to have the 3D visualization available. And with the issue 3D app, we can create a new issue. It will work like ECN process, and we can say that when this assembly needs to have the top cover to be installed. So we can add a title. We can also add the description. We can also suggest the user that these are the resolution can be possible. Then we can also move to the priority. So priority will have 4 different stages from the low to medium, high, and urgent. So based on the priority, user will be notified. We can also assign the 3D part or a 3D assembly that this assembly or this component has the issue. So those assignment will be available, and we can also add the attachment as well. We can also add the assignees, that these are the assignees we need to work on. So once we start the issue process, a user will be notified, and he will be having the notification that I have assigned to this new issue. And then we can go to the user's dashboard, and let's see how the issue management will work. So here you can see that user will have the notification, and he will have this issue that these are the issue, this is the properties, and these are the description. So we need to work on. We can also see that who was the assignees, what is the attachment, what are the comments that managers has assigned to it. So you can say that he will start with that work. So he can comment on that, and it will also notifies the manager as well that user has start working on the issue. So similarly, all the features that are needed for a management to work for the product lifecycle management are directly available in the 3D experience platform. So without any need of for the customization, they can directly start on their company project without any hassle. So those tools are also available. So with the change action, we can create the change action. It will also identify the assignees as well as the reviews. We can also add the proposed change that can be how to be implemented. We can also review the change. Then a manager will approve those changes, and the entire change action plan will be completed. So that way we can easily organize, manage, and collaborate the content in a real time and a secure manner. So with the collaborative industry innovator, we can collaborate across multiple disciplines, not only the SolidWorks. We have the connector available for different softwares as well. We can easily execute the processes with the compliance to an enterprise standard. So without worrying about the standards, we can directly start working with the 3D experience. We can also collaboratively have the project task execution as well as the review of the planning. So those tools are directly available in the collaborative business innovator. And we can also have the also improve the design collaboration between the project members as well as the organization to reduce the cycle and as well as to solve the point of attention. As well as with the collaborative industry innovator, we can also review in real time for your engineering definition, as well as we can start and capture the understanding. So with the collaborative industry innovator, I want to highlight the key benefit that we can streamline the collaboration with the ability to capture and the manage the creation, review, release of the CAD data as well as simulation models or the documentation. We can create, assign, manage the task using the drag and drop Kanban, a Japanese style dashboard. We can easily have the priorities to set to help the keep team members on the track. We can also resolve the issue faster by creating as well as capturing and communicating the issues directly in the 3D models. We can also leverage the task management as well as the change management capability to ensure the proper action as well as the track progress. We can also support the collaborative reviews with design mockups in both the 2D and 3D models. We can also visualize and share the 3D content across the enterprise uh, to have the easy to use and interactive environment. We can also provide the secure global access to all the content without the need of the IT to manage all the software installation and updates. So with the 3D Experience platform, it will be having the automatic update and a user will be notified and they need to not worry about the IT department to manually update and to have the implementation process. So these are the overall benefit for the Innovia that we can easily scale our business with the organization. We can enable the team members across the department to work directly and within the SolidWorks interface. We can also enable the team members to collaborate with the different departments directly in the 3D Experience platform. So with that, I want to also highlight that with the 3D Experience platform, we can also have the add-in capability directly in the SolidWorks. So we can also start the SolidWorks and we can also connect the SolidWorks directly with the 3D Experience platform, and it will have all the capabilities which are available in the 3D Experience directly in the SolidWorks. So here I have opened this SolidWorks. Where we can see that all the tools will be loaded and it will be linked with the 3D Experience platform. Yes. So here we can see that we will get an add-in of the 3D Experience platform where we can connect the SolidWorks CAD desktop files directly into the 3D Experience platform, where we can have all the functionality for the PLM capability. So yes. So we can say that for this specific assembly, we have the session available where we can find out the lifecycle tools. We can have the simulation. We can have the tools to view the entire product structure tree. We can also use the different tools for the to export as a CSV format. So those tools are also available. So with that, we can also save this directly into the platform. We can also change the maturity as well. So within the SolidWorks environment, we can directly see that the maturity states are also available. So uh, this add-in will help you to have all the PLM functionality directly within this 3D Experience platform, and that will be connected to the SolidWorks as well. So that will be the overview for the collaborative industry innovator. If you have any questions regarding the 3D experience platform or the collaborative industry innovator, you can directly ask. Yes, sir. So I have created this engine assembly in this SolidWorks, and I have uploaded directly in the 3D experience. So we can see the same assembly that is uploaded in the cloud and that is available in the cloud